Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
So you can see this game, correct? So the whole game you can play. If you want to mute it, you can mute it. If you want to increase the sound, you can increase the sound. If you want to decrease the sound, you can decrease the sound. You want to mute it again, mute it. So see, if you want some
To
instructions.
play this game, you must help Santa get across the maze and find his gifts.
Okay, so these were the instructions. If you want to go to
Help
level.
me find my gifts by getting me through the maze.
So this Santa is going to get the mazes. Everything has been done with coding. This is the platform which is your Scratch. If I just want to play the game, you can see I am using my keyboard to play that game. Correct? See, I am using my keyboard to play this game. So you can actually, create such games. Have you seen Mario? Have you ever played Mario? You can create a game like Mario. There are so many things that can be created. And even the professional games uses the concepts like that. See? So you can do a lot of things from here. So see this? This is something very good. Now, if you just want to see the code behind it, so you'll be able to see so much of code is involved in creating a game. Every character is going to have a code. See this? Every character is going to have some code. And so many characters over here. See this? So this is the level of coding that we make you to learn, right? We also make games, we also make animations, we also make stories and everything. I am sharing all these with you because I really want to show you what exactly at your age you can create. The website is also created by a code. Until and unless you know how to code, you cannot. Yes, Vishnu, you might know how to do that, but we can even take more advanced levels than that. We use pen extension, we use video extensions, we use all these things. So I hope those who want to continue, they must have noted the information and the website. Is that clear? So that we can, start again. Those who have noted down, they can check. They can kindly, check their text. See this. If you want to continue advanced coding sessions, please connect with us on ganesh@mindjam.in or contact@mindjam.in. The website is www.mindjam.in. The phone number of Mindjam is all visible on the website if you could see this. Okay, so if you really want to have the number, you can just check it. It is there, 74002602232. So it is available on the website. If you want to note it down, you can note it down. Even this year, Google Code to Learn, there were 2 contests, and those 2 contests were won by Mind Champions. They have received a Chromebook from Google, and they have also received a, the certified thing by Google. So this is the level that we taken into. I hope everybody has written that. If you want to continue, and don't forget, I would remind it, don't forget to make sure you are sharing the you are asking your parents to go through the feedback form that they will be receiving in the mail. Okay. Okay. So how much thing? So those who are saying I want to continue, but I want to continue with you only. So the thing is, you need to contact my team, which is MindChamp team. So this is the number and the link that you have shared. You tell them, right? We were in the webinar and we were taught by Sonam ma'am, and I also want to have the sessions from her. So after that, what the procedure and the timings which is suited at both the ends that can be executed. We are going to revise everything today from session 1 to session n, and we are going to create one more story today. Okay, so let's start again. So the very first thing, why we need to code and what is a code. Okay, like we all have some language to communicate, our computers, they also need to be communicated properly. With the help of computers, everything is possible. And what all are they? You can create a website, you can create an app, you can create anything, a game, animation, story, cartoon, anything can be created, right? So, you know, the coding gives you the power, which is unlimited, because inventions and innovations, they are not just bounded. So if you know how to do and how to communicate with that computer and how to use it properly, so you can create whatever you want. So for that, you need to learn coding and the programming language. Programming language is a language which your computer understands. Okay, so all these, even your code.org is created in a language which is JavaScript. If you want to really check, like how I am saying this, so you will be able to see this now. Just a moment. Okay, so if you really want to see how it is created, I'll just check any example that I have done before. Okay, even let's see this one, May sequence ka third one. Let's see this. After that, you will understand how it is written, and you will understand uh, what is the difference between a block-based coding and a text-based coding. Okay, so it is like move forward, turn right, and a move forward, right? So it is move forward, turn right, and a move forward. Correct? Now when I run it, okay, when you run this one, you can see show code. When you do show code over here, okay, you just see this. Even top universities teach block-based coding. Okay, but under the hood, the blocks that you have assembled can also be shown in JavaScript. The language which your computer and the code.org, is built on is your JavaScript language, and the world's most widely used coding language. It is like more than 98% of the things are made in JavaScript. This is a programming language, and all these are functions over here. Okay, so now, and you can see that over here we have connected the blocks, but inside this is the whole text-based coding involved. Yes, so that is the power of coding. Now, to learn coding, there are a few concepts or the few basics. Every language have some rules, so some programming languages also have their rules. So the very first rule which it follows is your sequencing. What is sequencing? Doing anything in an order, like how our every code was executing in an order. So that's the thing, every code is executed in a proper one by one order. Done. That was sequencing. Next one that we studied was our angles. To give any direction or any turn to a particular character was, your that required your angles, the concept of angles. After that, we had loops. Anything which is continuously repeating is a loop. So many examples we have seen. Traffic lights we have seen earth rotations. Now what was nested loop? A loop which is inside another loop is a nested loop. एक loop के अंदर अगर हम दूसरा loop लगाते हैं तो उसको हम nested loop बोलते हैं. नेस्टेड लूप के बाद हमने कंडीशनल्स पढ़ा था और डायरेक्शंस पढ़ा था. डायरेक्शंस में अप डाउन लेफ्ट एंड राइट. कंडीशंस में इफ. व्हेन आई से कंडीशंस तो सबके दिमाग में क्या आना चाहिए? इफ. ठीक है, रट लो. हाँ, सबके दिमाग में क्या आना चाहिए था? व्हेन आई से इफ conditionals. When I say conditionals, if. When we say if, so it is a conditional statement. The power of conditional statements is वो कंप्यूटर को स्मार्ट बनाता है. Now मैंने आपको अभी एक सैंटा का गेम दिखाया था, करेक्ट? ओवर हियर जब वो सैंटा टच करता है गिफ्ट को, मतलब आपने लेवल कंप्लीट कर लिया, यस? तो मैं उसको कैसे बोलूंगी? इफ सैंटा इज टचिंग दैट प्रेजेंट. यस, मैंने बोला ना, इफ. अगर वो इफ सेंटा टचेस दैट गिफ्ट, देन आप जीत गए. So that is the power of conditionals. It makes the computer to take decisions. Now after that, after conditionals, we have seen bugs and debugging. So what was bug? What is a bug? Any error in a program. And what is it? What is debug? जब आप उस bug को निकालते हो, that is debug.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.